Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload a file in Replit. It is very basic thing to do. So what you need to do is press on apps here and then press on the app that you want to upload the file into it, and then go to the conversation and tell him, for example, if you want to upload a HTML file or something, you can just tell him what is the use of that file. So for example, you can tell him use this image as favorite icon, and then press on this attachment, add attachment, and then press on upload a file, and then you can choose the image that you want to be a favorite icon, or if you want to upload a HTML file or anything, you can just tell him what is the use of that file, and then you attach it here as I showed you, and then you send into the conversation and everything will be changed and Replit will do whatever you want him to do, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.